we're in beautiful Breckenridge, Colorado today at 25 Sage Drive. It's a 6-bed, 6.5 bath smart home with just under 5,000 square feet on just under an acre. So let's go check it out. All right, so now we're at the front entrance of the home. And as we walk up the stone staircase, we come up to this crazy door with all these windows. Definitely custom, wider than standard, but it looks amazing on the house. So we'll come inside from there. And you've got this grand entrance straight into the living room. You'll notice the custom chandeliers and the trusses. You're looking around, we've got this amazing custom fireplace off to the side here. Metal from floor to ceiling. They're about 15 feet tall, these ceilings. And then as you pan over to the right, you're gonna notice the views of the 10-mile range, the famous mountain range here in Breckenridge. And then you'll notice the wide open floor plan in the living room. Got this beautiful custom wood dining table that's about 15 feet long. And then head over to the kitchen. So you'll notice in the kitchen, again, continues with the open floor plan, no closed off spaces, and they've got marble literally everywhere. So you've got this massive marble slab, which looks like it's just one continuous piece. And then you've got all the custom furniture to go along with it. And you'll notice as you're in the kitchen, lighting everywhere, including underneath. So you've got this baseboard lighting, which accents the kitchen really nicely. Marble countertops, marble backsplash. Then you got Thermador appliances right here, which are some of the nicest Thermador appliances I think I've ever seen. So now we'll head out towards the back deck so you can get the view of the 10-mile mountain range from here. And this easily has to be one of the best views of the 10-mile range of any home here in Breckenridge. And you'll notice as you look out, you'll possibly in the video, you'll see the golf course over there. That is the Breckenridge golf course. It is a professionally designed golf course. I believe Jack Nicklaus designed. And this neighborhood is just super quiet. So when you're out here on your deck, it's just serene, peaceful, not a lot of stuff going on. So kind of get all the mountains to yourself. Even though there's all these homes around here, it just feels like it's kind of your own oasis. All right, now from the outside, we'll head on past the kitchen into the first master suite. And got vaulted ceilings, so it's very spacious. Floor to ceiling, windows off to the right, so you still get great views of the mountains. And then we've got custom furniture, custom wood paneling throughout for the fireplace. And my personal favorite part about this is the fireplace with the old square bolts, kind of going back to the old mining days. I think that looks really, really cool. And then we'll head over towards the master bathroom. But before we get there, we've actually got this little guy right here, which if you're not familiar with this, it's actually an oxygen system. And basically what it does is it pulls the nitrogen out of the air. So it acts like it's 2,500 feet above sea level. So although we're like almost 10,000 feet above sea level, it lives like it's much lower. So you actually get a lot more oxygen content, much easier to breathe. And then we'll head on into the bathroom. This bathroom is insane. We've got the standalone tub right here, custom tile flooring. And then we've got custom sink, looks like quartz again, custom vanity, and then the custom shower as well. And then again, awesome views right out the back. So coming back into the master bedroom, see the extent of the views again, obviously. And then we've got this awesome walk-in closet right here. again with extra high ceilings so you can store multitude of clothes and shoes to your heart's content. So now from the first master suite, heading back on into the main living area. Hey guys, I just wanted to interrupt this video really quickly and say thank you so much for tuning in. If you like the content and you want to learn all about living in and around Breckenridge, Colorado, and all of the beautiful homes that we have here for sale, please subscribe to the YouTube channel so I can keep bringing you guys this awesome content. And now we'll get back to the video. And there's just like so much space in here. I feel like you could throw the best parties in this house without a doubt. And from the main living area, we'll head over onto the second master suite. And this one is even nicer in my opinion. You come in, you've got the custom bed frame, which looks really great in this room. Custom light fixtures everywhere, by the way, in this house, and they all look really, really good. Come over here and you'll notice, again, the custom fireplace with the square bolts. Very, very cool, reminiscent of the old mining age. And then again, views right out the front deck, custom sliding doors, definitely an expensive piece, but it opens up so you get, expansive views of the 10 Mile and the Gore Range. And then got the little office set up here, and then we'll head into the second master bathroom. And this one is my personal favorite. I think this light fixture right here is a super cool piece. Looks like just one blown glass piece, and there's LEDs on either side. It kind of just flows and gives it like a whole accent thing. Super cool. You got the standalone tub, custom, stand-up shower. And then we were looking at these mirrors earlier and they're super cool. They've actually got speakers inside of them. Couldn't get them to work, but when you're showering in the morning and getting ready, you've got some speakers right there, so that's freaking sweet. And then from the master bathroom, we're gonna head on to the second walk-in closet, and this one's even bigger. So you can see you've got abundant space for clothes, shoes. All right, so from that second master suite, back into the main living area, and then we're gonna head over towards the garage area. But first, on our way there, we're gonna stop by the coffee bar. And you got all these really cool steel girders going throughout for accents. Looks really great, matches all the fireplaces. But again, as I mentioned before, this is a smart home. And right here, we've got a smart coffee machine. So the owner tells me that in the morning, when he wakes up, he just speaks to Alexa or Google or whoever and just tells it to make him a cup of coffee. So he doesn't have to come here and press any buttons. Just like, Alexa, make me some coffee. And boom, there it is. And coming over here, we've got the powder room. And then coming back over here, we've got the mudroom and the garage. Off to the left, we've got washer dryer. So it's perfect once you come in from a ski day, from a mountain bike day, hang up all your dirty clothes, put your shoes on the shoe racks with the rocks actually. So I wonder if they did that on purpose to keep the mud off the shoes. And then we head into the garage, and it is a 3-car oversized garage. So he's got the Suburban in there. You can easily fit, large vehicles. He's got mountain bike storage, ski storage, racks. So tons of space. All right, so from the main living area, we're gonna head on downstairs. And one of the first things you notice as you walk down the stairs are the custom iron railing, and they're all polished, finished, smooth over. Looks really, really good. And then you've got the accent lighting as you're going down the steps. And then as you come downstairs, it opens up again, continuing with the open floor plan. You've got floor to ceiling windows looking at the mountains. You've got this epic living area, again with the custom fireplace, custom furniture, got the big TV for great entertainment. And then over here, you've got the wet bar. And I'm sure as you saw, the temperature controlled wine cellar, which is awesome. I love how he just kept it open glass because you can basically just see everything and pick what you want to drink for the day. So super cool. So from the second downstairs living area, head over towards the other wing of the house with 2 more bedrooms. First, you'll notice stackable washer and dryer, so your guests have a place to do laundry. And then we'll head over towards the first bedroom down here. And right now they've got it set up as a workout studio, yoga studio, which is really nice. Get views of the mountains while you're stretching out after a day of skiing. But it is a bedroom. You've got the master bathroom off to the left here, along with the master walk-in closet. Okay, from this bedroom, we'll now head over to the next master suite, which is a bit more spacious. First, you'll notice the master bath off to the left. Now we are in the master suite, and we've got the custom furniture again with the king size bed, custom light fixtures, custom ceiling fan, and then again, just insane views of the 10-mile mountain range. So now we'll head on to the rest of the suites down here. Off to my left, first you'll have the utility room with the boiler, water heater, and there's actually a solar system in this house as well. So the benefit of the solar system is that it seems to be a hydronic solar system. So the solar panels will heat up the water, and then there's a storage tank down there as well. And then we'll head over towards the rest of the home. Before we get to the master suites, we'll come off to the first bathroom here, and again, grandeur, custom everything, custom light fixtures, stand-up shower. But the coolest thing about this bathroom in particular, being on the lower level, we'll head outside straight to the hot tub. And just picture it, dude. Just sitting at this hot tub, soaking it in, looking at these views. I mean, what a perfect end to a great mountain day. Okay, so now we'll head down the hallway. You'll notice all the custom artwork. And then we'll head over towards the next master suite. And the first thing you'll notice off to the left, got again, big walk-in closet with vaulted ceilings. And then again, the master bedroom, super spacious, all custom furniture, custom light fixtures again. Got the floor to ceiling windows of the mountains. And then you'll head over towards the master bathroom. The views out of here are just incredible. 10-mile range, Gore Mountain range, you get it all. And the cool thing about this bedroom, off to the left, you've got the doorway right out to the hot tub, which seems to be the only bedroom on this level that has that option. So when you've got family in town, they can fight over that. It'll be fun. All right, and from that master suite, we'll head over towards this bedroom, which is the kids' bunk room, and it's pretty cool. They've got 6 bunk beds, all built-ins here with these custom iron ladders that are incredibly sturdy. And then through that door over there, you've got another walk-in closet. So again, the storage space is incredible in this home. You've just got space pretty much everywhere. And then the kids have their own hangout area too, that they've set up with these little plush chairs. They've got their whole library set up. And again, they get views of the mountains as well. Pretty cool. Okay, so another thing I wanted to mention about this home, right behind that door is actually more storage, but also the Sonos sound system for the entire house. So every bedroom, every room, as far as I've seen, has surround sound, so you can play music all around the house, and it seems to be individual speakers as well. So you can probably have different music playing in different rooms. Definitely a benefit. All right, guys, so the last clip of me talking about what it's like to live in this neighborhood got cut out, so I'm going to talk about it right now. You are in the Highlands neighborhood in Breckenridge, basically the most prestigious neighborhood that Breckenridge has to offer. A lot of homes sit on about a half an acre to an acre and a half on average, so you get more land than most homes, and you're on the golf course in Breckenridge, which is a Jack Nicklaus designed golf course. So if you're big into golfing, I mean, heck, even if you're not big into golfing, at least you get these nice manicured lawns, which make for super expansive open views, gives it a nice open feeling when you're outside, and you get the great views of the 10-mile mountain range. If you're into activities like hiking, biking, maybe you like to do some off-roading, head out on your quad, you just head out the door about 5 minutes down the road onto Tiger Road to hundreds of miles of open trails that you can quad on, you can bike on, you can hike on, you can do all these different things. And then you've got trails that'll actually connect all around the county. So there's a really great biking trail that I like to do that takes you from Breckenridge to Keystone, about a 10-mile ride or so. Highly worth it. And then it is a very quiet neighborhood in the Highlands. A lot of the homes there are primarily second, third homeowners. So these are vacation homes for most people. So they will tend to sit empty for about 50 weeks out of the year on average. So if you live there full time, or you're a remote worker, or even if you're vacationing just a couple weeks out of the year, you'll find it's very quiet in that neighborhood. Not a lot of tourists around, not a lot of short-term rentals. And as of recent, the short-term rental restrictions dictates that there are no more short-term rental licenses available in that neighborhood, so there aren't going to be any new applications going on anytime soon. And then proximity to the ski resort in Breckenridge, you're about a 10-minute drive or so. You can obviously hire a shuttle if you'd like, get an Uber, which is starting to become more prevalent here in Summit County. But I would say taking the shuttle bus is probably not an option, as the shuttle bus is about a 5-minute drive to get to the stop. So definitely not an option on the shuttle bus, but still really good location. And obviously if you're living in the Highlands, you want the privacy, you want the views, you want the prestigious feel that comes with it. So that is a little bit of what it's like to live in the Highlands neighborhood in Breckenridge. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like the content, like and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding real estate in Summit County, or any questions about the video, feel free to email me and I'll be happy to answer any questions. And I will see you guys in the next video.